Hi, I'm Danny from DM Vans. I'm going to show you some of the features of our 2027 Vans. One of the biggest changes to our 2027 is the beautiful roof rack up top. One of the main reasons we did this is because it's less holes in the roof and allows for multiple configurations of the top of your van. So solar panels, anything else you wanted to add up there, the options are truly endless. And on top of that, it looks really cool. One of the benefits of the roof rack is that it allows you to mount a side ladder, which is what gives you easier access to the roof itself. The rear bug nets are really cool because they offer you the ability to sleep with the doors wide open. You're able to keep just an open screen here. When you detach this, it gives you privacy for your garage while still allowing that airflow up top. And then when you want a little bit of privacy to sleep, you can also unattach these and you'll have a full blackout. In our 2027, we upgraded the main front cabin lights to a dimmable switch. All of the branding that you find on the outside of our van will be blacked out. All of our vans come with a versatile Lagun Table, which you can position however you'd like, and then when you're not using it, you can put it right back under the bed to store it, which really opens up the floor space in the overall living area. In our 2027, we raised our bedside wardrobe base so that you can easily access the cabinets without worrying about them moving your bedspread around or just having trouble opening them in general. There's a ton of shelving in this middle portion, and then there's a larger section back here that you could add a rod if you wanted to hang clothes or just put larger items. Standard in our LV7 build is the Trelino composting toilet, which would be in one of these cubes. For an upgraded option, you'll have the Nature's Head composting toilet hidden in this larger cube. All of our 2027 vans are outfitted with this kitchenette. 2 large cabinets, an induction stovetop, 5 large drawers, a compressor 12-volt fridge, a sink, your control panel system with plugs, and your self-contained water system. Each of our vans is outfitted with a 7-gallon freshwater tank and a 7-gallon gray water tank. You also have the option to add an extra 7-gallon freshwater tank to the back of the van. Every one of our sinks has an accumulator which allows you to control the flow of water so that you don't run out faster than you'd like to, especially when you're off-grid. The 12-volt compressor fridge has a lot of space and runs pretty deep back into the van, which allows you to store about a week's worth of food off-grid. And you also have a mini freezer, which is great for ice and other small items. In the LV7, we have 2 max air fans that come standard in the van. They are both reversible for in and out airflow. In the center of the LV7, we have a 12-volt AC unit that also comes standard. Over the bed, we have this multifunctional storage shelf where you can put your phone, laptop, books, whatever you want to have near you, as well as these little hooks that are perfect for glasses when you're not using them. In addition to that, we also have a dimmer switch back here so you can control the lighting from bed, which is a huge game changer, and then a couple ports, both USB and USB-C for charging your phone or laptop. In the garage, you will find your entire electrical system with an easy access fuse box from inside of the van, your batteries, your breakers and charge controller, and in the back box is your inverter. As an optional add-on, we have an installed L-Track kit. There are all different types of styles and attachments to match the gear that you decide to carry. To give you more confidence off-grid, we offer an easily accessible and securely mounted traction board kit. Another add-on option is the rear door storage, which is really versatile for gear, shoes, whatever you really want to carry. On the other door, you'll get another rear door storage that's just a little bit different. The Starlink power switch is located right near your garage, so you can turn it on and off from the comfort of your van. The Starlink runs off of 12 volt, which is more energy efficient for your van because you don't have to have the inverter on. And that's our 2027 LV7.